30 years ago, innovation appeared in the cookware industry. Revolutionary, performance, excellence. Since its launch, Circulon became the first to introduce non-stick, hard anodized cookware to the market, featuring a unique total high-low food release system and to carry a quality guarantee. Today, the brand is a global phenomenon, having produced about 75 million pieces of cookware in 30 years. So what makes Circulon so unique? Circulon is renowned for its relaxed high-low wave technology and advanced non-stick coating, which has helped the brand build its reputation as the pan with the circles. So confident about our brand that we offer a lifetime guarantee. Plus, if the non-stick system fails to meet customers' expectations, we will replace it completely free of charge. That's our promise to you. Introducing a new level of innovation in 2016 with the launch of Circulon Momentum and Circulon Ultimum. These new ranges extend successfully into bakeware, tools, as well as diversifying the cookware into ranges with features and benefits that appeal to a cross-section of consumers. From forged high density to stainless steel cookware, including cast stainless steel or phenolic fittings, Circulon Ultimum continues to push the boundaries, and the collection is as versatile as ever while providing the ultimate in performance. Circulon continues to innovate and break new ground in technological advancement to make cooking easier, healthier and faster. Our priority will always remain the same: perfection and satisfaction.